Here we are at taper attachment edition 2 for the Axelson lathe. I got this thing cleaned up quite a bit. It really nice. I mean, this stuff's engineered. This taper attachment is engineered to cut a taper, probably removing the inch off the diameter of a shaft per pass. This thing's tough. It's got the shoe has a gib here to take up the slop. I loosened it because I want to clean it. I want this thing to move, and it moves good now. I just keep I put kerosene on it. First some mineral spirits with a big paintbrush. Then I started with kerosene, and getting it cleaner and scrub it with a brass brush a little bit here and there. And here's this end. As that dirt shows up, I just take and wipe it up and just keep oiling it or pouring kerosene on it until this thing's clean. It works pretty good. So the way this thing works, we had one of these at the local community college. It is at least 24-inch swing. It had a bed about 20 foot. And the instructor there made sure everybody knew at least how to use every machine there. And there was everything, old LeBlancs and everything. So the way this taper attachment actually works is you lock down those two big bolts right here, and then loosen this one on the skinny rod. We got the thick rod and the skinny rod. So lock down the bracket. Let's get around over here. Here's a little sideline here. In the manual, it says you can overhang the tailstock 4 inches. See, it's overhung there. But I tell you, when you're overhanging the tailstock, you better be careful, man. You better not pull that thing all the way off, or you're gonna be in the hospital. Okay, back around over here. And I can step up on this skid this thing's on, and there's the tape attachment right there. Now I got it at 10 degrees. That's the full 10 degrees from center line. That's the full tilt it's got, and it's got right at 13 inches of travel. Let's move this little thing here. Watch this Axelson action. All right. Almost at the end of travel. There it is. That's the end of travel. Swing back over and see what it looks like. Okay. There's that great little gauge thing there. This works real nice. It's just nice. Okay, here's the ways for the taper attachment, and all this stuff's real good. An interesting thing about how they did this, and I don't know if you can see this, right here, the V for the way here is milled into the cast iron on the other side, and this piece here is steel, and it's held with screws, and it's adjustable some way if you shim behind it or something. I'll have a closer look at that. And it is steel because you can see a little bit of corrosion here. Steel likes to corrode a little bit more. Okay, get on over here and look at this end of it, So I just keep pouring kerosene until I get this slop out of there, Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, get back over this way. I kind of have to move around stuff. And plus have a drink, coffee, that I drink too much of just about every day. Okay, that's that taper attachment there. So I'll go ahead and move it back and kind of see what it's doing. See if I can steady my arm on this Deluxe 12X chuck. Oh, it's a nice one, man. I'll tell you what, okay. Moving on back. See, let's move in the cross slide. Yeah, see, that's 13 inches. Yeah, you get a little bit more at less of an angle. I'm going to put it back about middle. That's where you'd leave it parked. Okay, just turn off the device. All that you do is loosen those two bolts, the two big ones, and tighten the skinny rod. Then this thing's locked up. You can leave that anywhere and use the cross slide and stuff, and nothing will apparently creep. Huh. Yeah, this pretty amazing machine. It just in its construction, it really nice. I mean, there's nothing to complain about on that taper attachment. And also the covers go across here, and they're dowel pinned. So this thing is like really rigid. It's like a box with the covers upon. Okay, well, we'll see what else is going on with this thing later. I got a bunch of stuff to do with the Monarch anyway, so we'll call this good for now.